Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. This video will be very helpful for you, so I want to request you please see this video up to the end. In this video I am going to discuss about how to use $sign to lock cell, column and rows, whatever you want. The $sign have different purposes, but in this tutorial video I'm going to discuss about how to use $sign for different three purposes. Means to lock the cell, means to lock a cell of a row and column, and to lock the total column, and to lock the total rows. How you can do? Think that I have several data sets like data 1, data 2, data 3, okay, and several numbers 14, 15, 14, 17, 5, 18, 12, 10, 21, and for D1 and for I have fill all the data, and this three thing I want to delete. Just press on delete, okay. And think that you want to calculate something like that, D1 D2 difference 1 2 diff difference 1 3 difference and 2 3 difference, and for that equal to 1 2 1 minus 2, and you can drag or double click here, all see that these two, okay. And for this also equal to 1 minus 3, 1 3 difference, just double click here, and now 2 3 equal to 2 minus 3, 0, drag or double click here, you can get this three differences from this value. And now you can think that you want to calculate all, you want to calculate average, right? Average of all three differences equal to average this is the average of these three difference, okay. And you want to calculate the average of this column, average of average equal to average this is the average of this column. And think that you want to calculate the fluctuation of this 1 2 difference to this average, means 1 2 difference fluctuation from the average, means this actual value fluctuation from the average, fluctuation from the average. For that what you need to do, equal to 1 minus this, okay. Enter and see that, calculate this. What happened that this you want to calculate this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, but what happens, see that this is actual what we want to do, see that this is below that, and also see that this is below, right? So what you need to do, you want to lock this cell of this equation, okay. For that what you need to do, you want to lock both row and column. So the J is the column. Before that, enter write the log sign, and 13 is the row. Before that also enter log sign. Okay, and now drag or double click here, and now see that what happened. Okay, previously it was below. See, done. Okay, this is the application of what? This is the application of lock both cell, lock cell as both rows and column. Now I will show you how to lock the only column. Okay, think that you want to calculate a difference of this average from all 6 data sets, means data 1, data 2, data 3, 1 2 difference, 1 3 difference, and 2 3 difference. For what? For that, what you need to do? Equal to minus this average. Okay, and see what happened. This is right thing what we wanted to do, and see that this is not this cell. This cell is means K cell is used. Again, see that no, this cell is used. For to lock this, you need to use the dollar sign before the column, not the row. Okay, before the column means J is the column. Before that, use dollar sign. Okay, see this. Okay, and now what you need to do? Just drag. Okay, and now see that this column is used. Okay, for that this column is used, means the column is, and here also for this features also column is same, but if you drag in this, try to understand, this is a difficult thing. See that all columns are the same, means J column is used as before J column you used the dollar sign. And same way, if you want to lock the row, means this 5 6 7 8 9, if you want to lock the row, I think that for example I am deleting this, and for this I want to remove this J column, but before 8 I want to use the dollar sign, and see what happened. Before 8 this dollar sign is used. Okay, and now drag it for this, that, see that the row is locked. Again for this, see that column is here and row is locked. If you drag this and see that row is moving but column is not moving, as row, before row the dollar sign is used. Okay, see that this, see that in this way you can lock row, you can lock column, you can lock both row and column. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Thank you so much.